Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be making a plain vanilla cake. I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. If you do, please remember to tap the subscribe button. If you're new here, a special welcome to you. Please like this video guys, as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you're free to comment. When you do so, I feel elated. Also guys, please do share this video with others. Tell them about tomorrow's recipes and let them come over and be a part of this awesome family. Let's get started. I will be using 2 medium eggs. So now I'm going to crack them into a bowl. Afterwards, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. So now I'm going to use an electric mixer and I'm going to beat on a medium speed just to combine the eggs together. Alright, so you're going to do this for about a minute. Half a cup of sugar. You can add more sugar depending on your taste. I am going to beat the eggs and the sugar on a high speed for about 4 minutes. Quarter cup of oil. Then you're going to beat it for about 2 more minutes. I am going to sieve my dry ingredients. So I'm going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of baking soda. I will be using the mixer to combine the ingredients together, but you can use a whisk or a spatula to do so. Before I start mixing them together and adding the liquid, I am going to mix it around first so that the flour doesn't fly all over the place. So I'm going to mix it on a low speed just to combine them, and while I mix, I'm going to gradually add 200 milliliters of buttermilk. To make the buttermilk, I used a tablespoon of white vinegar. You can also use a tablespoon of lemon juice to add to the milk. Then you leave it to rest for 5 minutes. Now I am going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I am going to use a spatula and gently mix in the vanilla. I'm using the cut and fold method. I grease my cake tin with oil. You can also use butter. You can add your parchment paper or just some flour, but I just use the oil. Now I'm going to transfer my batter into the cake tin. Then I'm going to bake it in my preheated oven at 330 degrees Fahrenheit, or you can bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. So here I am using a toothpick to remove the air bubbles. Then I'm going to tap it on the surface. Then I'm going to place it in the oven. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you do, please remember to tap the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed, and turn on your post notification bell so you not miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching guys, and please stay tuned for more videos.